Looking to upgrade your car's audio system without losing your factory backup camera? The PAC CAM-GM51 OE reverse camera retention harness promises a fast, clean installation that keeps your original camera fully functional. If you've ever hesitated because of complicated wiring or the risk of damaging your vehicle's electronics, this harness might be exactly what you need. What makes the PAC CAM-GM51 stand out is its factory-style molded connectors. These connectors fit perfectly with your vehicle's existing wiring, so there's no need to cut or splice any factory cables. This design not only saves you time but also protects your car's wiring integrity. For anyone who values a neat installation and wants to avoid permanent modifications, this is a real benefit. The harness works by transmitting the video signal from your factory camera directly to an aftermarket radio through a male RCA video output. This means you can keep using your original backup camera while enjoying the features of a new head unit. It's compatible with select GM vehicles from 2014 to 2018, so it covers a wide range of popular models. From real user reviews, the PAC CAM-GM51 has earned praise for its simplicity and reliability. One top review from the United States highlights how the harness was exactly what was needed to retain the factory backup camera with a straightforward installation process. This kind of feedback adds credibility and shows that it delivers on its promise. If you're planning an upgrade and want to avoid the hassle of rewiring or losing your backup camera, the PAC CAM-GM51 harness is worth a look. It cuts down install time, protects your vehicle's original wiring, and ensures your camera keeps working without any extra fuss. Try it when you're ready to make your installation smoother and more reliable.